sponsoring this video. We're gonna see what's inside, and of course when you purchase your wig you always get goodies. So let's see. The wig is secure in a box. We have wig cap to use, HD, and we also have a bag that you can store your wig in. And you have this bag, that extra bag that you can use as well. Now let's see what's inside. We have a edge band right here for you to use. Okay, so this is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig at bob, a Yaki texture bob. It's in Brazilian here, 10 inches. I love me a bob. I'm gonna see this layered because I love the bobs. Like, it is super easy to be installed. Yes, you see that? This lesson, look, it's already there. So I know I don't have much to do, but let's talk about this lace. Look how fine, refined this looks. This is just a slip and go. Look, you just add it on your head right now. So I am pleased with this so far. And let's talk about the features because I love that 7x5. It is super wide, so you're gonna have the illusion as if it's a frontal, which is a plus, but it's a closure. Now I love the upgraded caps, the no slip caps that they have now. I absolutely love that. And of course I love a comb in the back of the wig. Now I love the band, ear to ear band. That means it's gonna be snug, so each band is right here. So once you pull it as tight as you want it, it's gonna make sure the lace is laying flat and seamless. I love that about this. See, it's from one ear to the next. Now the best feature for everyone is the drawstring. With the drawstring, you know it's fit any head size. When you're purchasing the wig, you don't have to worry about, oh, wonder if it's gonna fit my head. Yes, it's gonna fit because the drawstring allows you to wear it. You can lend your wig out, anything, it doesn't matter the head size. So this is how it is, and the drawstring, all you have to do is pull it and pull this piece down. There's also another piece to secure it from moving, and the excess, you're gonna tuck it under. Once you tuck it under, it's gonna be seamless like this. Now we are gonna go in and add this wig, and of course I'll be back. In the meantime, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's put this bob on and we're gonna activate it. But let's tighten the drawstring around the back. I want to show you guys how you go about doing that. It's very easy, really and truly. It's not going to be hard for you. So this is the drawstring. All you have to do is pull the wig down. Make sure it's secure to your liking. And you're going to pull the string, which is here. You're going to bring it down. And then you're going to tuck this part under. So it should look something like this. Alright, so that's it. The bob, and this is the result. Now Nadula, I need you to tell me who made this wig. because why is it so perfect? I did not have to use a scissor in this. Love it. All I did, and I didn't have to go through it. All I used is a flat iron, and I bent it and go under just to fix it. Because you saw that in the packaging, this side was like that. Now, the most important thing is the lace, and I want to show you guys the lace. You see that? I went ahead and I wanted it to have a more custom look, so I added a few baby hair at the side, but it doesn't change or take away the fact how the lace is. Okay? Alright, now I use a little bit of holding spray, not a lot, because I want to be able to lift this up in the nighttime. The wig is super full. I really like it. You don't have to wear a middle part. You can go as a side part. That's gonna look awesome as well, but I'm working with a middle part. I love how full and bent it is. This is a 10-inch. I love a 10-inch. If you're going for like a bob, I recommend this. Now if you want a little bit more longer, then you can go in with a 12 or 14. Now when you go with a 14, you can also curl that, and it's gonna look so nice. You see how bouncy this is? They did a big one on this one. And remember, it's a Yaki texture. For it to look and feel like this, that's something we have to appreciate. Now look at this. The bob is activated. OMG, it ain't going nowhere, y'all. So thanks to Nadula for this beautiful wig. I absolutely love it, and I will be wearing this for the rest of the week. Yes, because it's glueless, of course, and we have the strings to attach it and the new upgraded cap. Okay, I love this. Now if you want this wig, I'll definitely have the link in the description for you guys. A lot of persons keep asking. There's always the link in the description. Always check the description of the video. You get the link, and also you get a discount. Okay, don't forget that, so always click on the link. Now this is it. Thanks to Nadula for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, it's very versatile and you can switch it up. Okay, bye.